Welcome back to Pianowithnick. Okay, so we are looking at how to play the Ghanaian piano tutorial. Okay, so we are still on this guy, Parquet Junior. Okay, so he did a 1-1 or 1-1. Today's piano tutorial, we play in the key of F, but the song was done in the key of C sharp. Okay, so you let him sing some part. Okay, 1-1 or 1-1. Then he did. Or 1-1, then after he finished, okay, so let's take the first chord. I'm doing this. I'm doing the D, A, D. Right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Alright, so first chord, then second chord. I'm doing the C, G, C. Right hand is doing the G, C, E. Alright, so B flat, C, B flat, F, B flat. Right hand is doing the F, G sharp, and D. Alright, I already showed this chord in my previous video. Okay, so the A, the E flat, E, G, and C. Alright, then I have the G. Right hand is doing the D, F, B flat. Alright, so I have the F sharp, I have the C, I have the E flat, I have the A. Then, alright, so what is that? So the left hand is doing the, okay, that's what I'm doing. G, F, then B flat and F. Okay, so alright. So what am I doing? I'm playing the D, F, B flat, C, E flat, A, B flat, D, and G. Okay, so alright, then so that's a portion of the song, by the way. Okay, so alright, so that's how you play this particular song. Okay, so the portion I played first one was the one that they used in the video. Okay, so because of copyright I cannot paste the video on YouTube, but TikTok allows it. Okay, so I can paste it on TikTok. Okay, so if you wanna check what the guy did on this particular song, he did awesome. Okay, in my opinion. Okay, he did awesome. If you wanna check that one out, subscribe to my TikTok account, then you get to see the video of the guy who sang this particular song, and the keyboardist who also played this one. Okay, so I'll see you in another video. My name is Pianowithnick. I'll see you in another video. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. More videos like this is coming your way. Bye.